Hello friends, welcome to Master Lip Sync Elimination step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Today we learn how to create professional lip sync eliminations with this easy step-by-step tutorial, perfect for beginners and experienced eliminators alike. I will guide you through syncing character dialogue with precision and creativity. You will discover essential tools, techniques and tips to bring your characters to life in elimination. Whether you are working on a short film, a video game, or content for social media, this tutorial will help you elevate your elimination skills. Take a look at these images. This one is generated image. This one here is a generated image. While this other one is the elimination of the same image using Clean AI Lip Sync. Let's see what I made out of this.
Welcome to the lip sync animation tutorial. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of animation or a creator aiming to enhance your storytelling with expressive characters, you're in the right place.
Okay, before we start, let's know your tutor. Okay, welcome back. I'm your host and this is QB's tutor. I teach, you learn, and we grow together. Do me a favor by clicking on subscribe and also give me a thumbs up to encourage my small channel. Thank you. Narrate our image. We are using Clean AI, and this environment for Clean AI. You can see here you have image, AI image, AI videos, and video editing. All right, and scroll down to this place. These are other people's jobs that are already here. Okay, these are the site is. So for us to get first step, we first of all get our prompt. We first click on this image to enable us to generate the AI image. Okay, this is the AI, the generation of the image. Here you have text to image. Okay, and here is the prompt. So here right now, we'll paste our prompt on this place. If you scroll down, if you have already image that you want to use to generate it, you can as well. You click here and upload it. But whereby you don't have, you just drop your prompt on this place and scroll down to where they have settings. This place you need to choose the ratio aspect of your video. Is it the portrait or the landscape? The landscape normally is 16:9 ratio 9, and the portrait for short videos is 9 ratio 16. So for today we are using 16:9. Okay, we'll click on 16:9. If you come down again, it's asking you generating count, which is number of images that you want them to generate for you. Okay, so for me, I like using just 3 images, so I'll reduce it to 3 images. Now let's put our prompt here. I use ChatGPT to generate the prompt, okay, which is here. This is my prompt here. I copy all of this and go to Clean AI and I paste it here. Okay, the prompt simply says a young professional woman with smooth medium length wave hair, black hair styled neatly, sitting in a wall-length studio setting. Okay, so when you drop your prompt, you can see the generating is already waiting for you. It will cost us 0.60 credits to generate 3 images. Okay, so you click on it. You click on it. As you see, our image is ready. It has generated 3 beautiful lady for us, and you can look at the image. They are all the same. It's just left for you to choose the particular one that you like most. Okay, now I decide to choose this one and I download it into my system. So the next stage now is step 2. So after we have gotten our first step, which is the image generation, the next one is video generation. That's image to video. So we'll move to the menu and choose AI video. So this AI video generation session, we have text to video and we have image to video, and this is one we are using on this this one we are using for this lesson today. We are using image to video generation. On this place now, you just click to select the image that you want to upload. Click on it to choose that image that will first download it into our system. This is the image we'll first download. We'll choose it and it's here with us. So on this place now, you can see where you put in your prompt. The prompt is how you want the picture to react. Okay, anyhow you want it to react, that's where you write it down. The next one is a movement, but that side now is restricted. Let's scroll down. So on this place, the right settings, we have standard settings, and also we have professional settings, and you can see each of them has their different credits that they will charge you whenever you are using it. Okay, now on the duration side, we have 5 seconds and we also have 10 seconds. Now on this place, other side is number of images that you want them to generate for you, but for now we will only leave it in one because we are using free version. Okay, we'll scroll down, you can see the camera movement, but I did not touch anything on that place. Then the next one here is negative prompt. Negative prompt is anything that you don't want to see in your video. For me, I use old age. I don't want this beautiful lady to turn to an old woman after generating it. Okay, so that's why I use old age as my negative prompt. So let's move back to our prompt and give the image a prompt of what we want the image to do, or how we want the image to look like. For me, I decide to write a presenter happily speaking to her audience with smile. Okay, decide to write that. So after writing this one, now the next thing we will do there is to choose the duration of our video. Okay, if it's going to be a 5 minutes video or a 10 seconds video. So let's choose 5 minutes, 5 seconds, and see how it looks like first. Remember, when you are choosing a 5 seconds video, it depends on the type of video it depends on the type of speech you want to make. If it's a longer speech, then you need to use a 10 seconds. But let's see how the 5 seconds is first. Wow, our video is ready. Now you can see how the thing come out, and exactly the lady is really happy and she's smiling to her audience. But you notice that there is no voice, there is no audio to this. Okay, so we have to go back and add the audio, which is the lip sync. The lip sync, you click on it there. This is the platform for the lip sync. Okay, you paste in your text. But as you look at the text now, my text is cut halfway, did not get to the end of what I wanted her to speak. So that means that the 5 seconds that we choose is not enough to cover the sentences that we want her to speak in the video. Okay, so I need to go back and change it to 10 seconds, and I hit the generate button. Remember, the 10 seconds is more expensive because it will cost you 40 credits to generate. So you need to generate that, and then just wait a little more. The generation will be ready. I'll look at it now. She has come out again with 10 seconds generation, but this time is longer. Remember, 10 seconds is longer than 5 seconds. Okay, but still, she still did not have audio yet. So we need to go back again to our lip sync to be able to give her what to say, which is the major lesson that we are doing today. Okay, you click on the lip sync, it will take you back to the lip sync session. Now we'll press our sentences again. Here you can see that a sentence here now is longer than when we chose 5 seconds. Okay, so this place now is telling you that if your sentence is long, you need to make it 10 seconds. Okay, now on this area now is where you choose the voice that you want. Already Kling AI already have a automatic AI voice that you can choose. Okay, when you choose it, before you proceed again, you need to play the audio to know if it's okay. Let's hear what we said.
Welcome to the lip sync animation tutorial. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of animation or a creator aiming to enhance your storytelling with expressive characters, you're in the right place.
Alright, if you are done with that, you just hit generate. Before you hit it, please be sure that you are okay with what is written there and hit your generate. The generate button, it will cost you another 10 seconds to generate. Okay, let's wait for it to generate again. After some seconds, our generation will be ready. All right, the generation is ready now. If you look at this other side now, okay, you can see that this particular one has a lip sign, while this one did not have a lip sign. So when you are downloading your video from here, download the one with the lip sign. All right, let's hear what we did, if it's actually okay. Let's hear from her.
Welcome to the lip sync animation tutorial. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of animation or a creator aiming to enhance your storytelling with expressive characters, you're in the right place.
Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. You can go ahead now and practice it. Thank you.